आई मस्ट कन्फेस कि कल का जर्नलिंग का जो शीट था ऑसम था, बहुत बढ़िया एंड मजा आया। सो अप्रिशिएट, लेट्स अप्रिशिएट। One or two more questions from my side before I move out for badminton. How many of you are feeling calm and relaxed when you are writing that gratitude journal? बढ़िया लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है ना? सब कुछ पा लिया मैंने, सब कुछ पा लिया मैंने, जब सब कुछ खो दिया, जब सब कुछ छोड़ दिया, है ना? ये एक फीलिंग है, बच्चों को शायद थोड़ी लेट आएंगी, बड़े जानते हैं इस फीलिंग को ऑलरेडी। जब हम सब कुछ छोड़ देते हैं तब शुरुआत होती है सब कुछ प्राप्त करने की। So I wish all of you all the best. Let us start with our gratitude journaling, and I request Anuradha ma'am or Ratish sir, whoever is available, to take charge of the session till the end. Thank you. Appreciate. कल मिलते हैं 5 बजे. Thank you. Anuradha ma'am, you are the host now. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Jai Shri Krishna. Over to you, Kshitija beta.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Okay. Everybody have their journals?
What's up the comfortable?
Okay. So give me a minute, just a minute. Okay. So let me introduce, for those who are new to this session, let me introduce what is journaling. Journaling is scripting down your experiences, feelings you have every day in your life. So gratitude journaling is also a part of journaling. So today we are going to do an activity. First, we'll go undergo through a meditation. Anuradha ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes, Kshitija.
I want to share my screen.
Yes.
Please
Sure.
allow me.
Yes, Kshitija, you are co-host now.
So settle down yourself, sit in a relaxed position, and let's close our eyes.
Slowly and gently settle yourself. Take a comfortable posture you can maintain for a few minutes. Absolutely get comfortable, and if you're ready, you can close your eyes. With your eyes closed, simply start breathing and feeling your breath. Try to take a deep inhale to extreme slow and gentle exhale. Keep feeling your breath as close as you can. The touch of air on your nostrils, how it travels down your windpipe, your lungs and your diaphragm. It changes to exhalation, travels back, and the touch of air as it escapes out from your nostrils. Take a deep breath in. Slowly as you exhale, relax your mind and your body. Draw your attention into the center of your eyebrows. Try to watch the region over and above your eyes. Watch your thoughts coming and going. Let each thought come and go. Don't try to control your mind. Don't try to control your thoughts. Simply let them be. Now try to recall one experience in your life that you regret that has happened. Any situation, any experience you believe should not have really happened. Something you want to omit from your life. Visualize this with all tiny details you can remember. Stand at a distance and watch it happening. Why is this happening? What kind of thoughts you are going through? What kind of emotions you are going through? Are your emotions triggering your action? Visualize every single thing you can remember about this memory. But make sure you just watch this from a distance. Without judging yourself in that situation, you are only the influence of your mind and your body right now. That is not you. What you could have done to make this situation and experience less regretful? What other measures you could have taken so that this was not a regretful memory for you? What else you could have done? Try to find this approach now and transcend this memory. Learn from this experience so that if it happens to reoccur, you can handle it in a better way. So that you do not get under the influence of your emotion and you can think much more rationally. Find out another approach, another measure you could have really taken. And today, if you have learned something out of this regretful situation, just be happy that you have learned something from this. This memory is now an experience, has made you learn a lesson, and you will stick to it. With this feeling of learning, you can gradually and slowly open your eyes. Pick up your journals, pick up your pens. Without a halt, write down for next 4 minutes whatever have you felt right now.
Yes. You can write down your journals now. Whatever you felt in this meditation, you can write it down. Your learnings from it. You can use these prompts for writing if you don't have clarity about where to start. How many of us have finished writing? You can raise your hands. Okay. For those who have not finished, I will post it in our WhatsApp group. And yes, anybody would like to share their experiences, feelings? Any sharings? You can raise your hands.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. Yes, Kshitija. Let us appreciate Kshitija for this. I feel बहुत ही अलग experience था आज, right? मतलब मुझे तो ऐसा लगा gratitude तो लिखते हैं, लेकिन उसके पहले की जो thoughts की process थी, वो Kshitija, it was really wonderful today's exercise for gratitude, right? पहले walk से through हम गए, right? So what is in mind, and now putting it into on paper, it is very easy actually. So it was really nice experience and different experience. And really, Kshitija, I appreciate for your new actions. Every day I can see the new creativity in everything that you are doing. In your exercises, everything, even gratitude में भी आज तुमने जो नया किया है, it's really very good. And I enjoyed it, and I got actually different angle for putting down the gratitude on the paper. So yes, thank you. This is for Kshitija. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you. God bless you.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. So let's call it a day. I will be posting this in our WhatsApp group. You can complete it. Okay. Let's meet at tomorrow 5 a.m. Bye-bye.
Yes, thank you, Kshitija, and thank you, everyone.
Yes,
Thank you, Kshitija ma'am. Thank you, Kshitija.
thank you, Kshitija ma'am.
Thank you, Kshitija ma'am.
Thank you, Kshitija.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Kshitija.
Thank you, everyone, for joining. You all are awesome warriors. You all are doing good. Awesome. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, तो कल मिलते हैं दोस्तों क्षितिजा के नए स्टाइल के साथ. Yes.
Yes.
Have a nice day, everyone. Let's meet tomorrow morning with a new energy. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Definitely.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
So with your permission, Kshitija, can I end the meeting?
Yes.
Yes, Beta. Thank you. यस रतीश सर, रतीश सर लिख रहे हैं अभी. ओके सर. बाय निशा. बाय बेटा.